Check out this 2015 Toyota Tacoma Pre-Runner. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are rear-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, brake assist, steel wheels, tow hooks, daytime running lights, automatic headlights, MP3 player and Bluetooth connection. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.